Alternative energy and renewable energy are two terms often used interchangeably to describe sources of power that are distinct from traditional fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. While there is overlap between the two concepts, they encompass slightly different aspects of the energy landscape, each contributing to the global transition towards cleaner, more sustainable sources of power. Renewable energy refers to energy derived from naturally replenishing resources that are virtually inexhaustible on human timescales. These resources include sunlight, wind, water, biomass, and geothermal heat. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and non-renewable, renewable energy sources are continuously replenished by natural processes, making them sustainable over the long term. The key characteristic of renewable energy is its ability to harness natural phenomena to generate power without depleting finite resources or emitting harmful greenhouse gases. Solar energy is one of the most abundant renewable energy sources, utilizing photovoltaic cells to convert sunlight into electricity. Solar panels, typically installed on rooftops or in solar farms, capture solar radiation and convert it into usable energy. Wind energy, another prominent renewable source, harnesses the kinetic energy of wind to generate electricity through wind turbines. Hydropower, derived from the energy of flowing water, utilizes dams, turbines, and generators to produce electricity. Biomass energy utilizes organic materials such as wood, crop residues, and organic waste to generate heat, electricity, or biofuels. Biomass can be burned directly for heating purposes or converted into biogas, ethanol, or biodiesel through various processes. Geothermal energy harnesses the Earth's heat stored beneath the surface, utilizing wells, pipes, and turbines to generate electricity or provide heating and cooling. Tidal and wave energy are forms of marine renewable energy that capture the energy of ocean tides and waves to generate electricity. Tidal energy systems harness the gravitational forces of the moon and sun to produce power through turbines, while wave energy devices capture the kinetic energy of ocean waves. Alternative energy, on the other hand, encompasses a broader spectrum of energy sources beyond renewables, including nuclear power and certain forms of fossil fuels with lower environmental impacts, such as natural gas with carbon capture and storage, CCS. While nuclear power is not renewable in the same sense as solar or wind energy, it is often considered an alternative to fossil fuels due to its low carbon emissions and high energy density. The distinction between renewable and alternative energy lies in their environmental and sustainability attributes. Renewable energy sources are inherently sustainable and environmentally friendly, as they do not deplete finite resources or emit greenhouse gases during operation. Alternative energy sources, while not necessarily renewable, offer alternatives to traditional fossil fuels with lower environmental impacts, reduced carbon emissions, and greater energy efficiency. In summary, renewable energy encompasses sources of power derived from naturally replenishing resources, such as sunlight, wind, water, biomass, and geothermal heat, that are sustainable over the long term. Alternative energy includes a broader range of energy sources beyond renewables, including nuclear power and certain fossil fuels with lower environmental impacts. Both renewable and alternative energy sources play important roles in diversifying the energy mix, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and advancing towards a cleaner, more sustainable energy future.